welcome to Caleb's Trains.
Today, me and Caleb would like to share with everyone a new addition to our layout.
And it's not the secret.
No, it's not. We picked up a new locomotive. We're going to unveil it here in a second, and hope you guys enjoy it. Hope everyone's doing well.
Thumbs down, coronavirus. Thumbs up, Caleb's Trains.
Yep.
And that's a fact.
It's a fact. So we hope everyone's doing well. I know we're all being inconvenienced here. We're all in it together. We gotta do what's right, and we're all gonna get through this. And we're gonna keep doing videos because we know it's kind of boring sitting at home. So maybe this is help everyone out a little bit. Get I don't know, a little release from everything else. At least you get some time to watch me and Caleb do video, run some trains and stuff like that. So we hope that helps. But yeah, other than that, like I said, got this new locomotive, and I don't know, anything else that you can think of?
Well, I want to give a shout out to all of my second grade friends.
You miss your classmates?
Yeah.
And your teacher?
And my teacher.
Yeah. So.
I got something else to say.
Oh, okay. It's your channel.
So, there's one thing. You may see the sneak peek stuff.
All the things we've been working on the layout.
You may.
Yeah, we might.
Trust your eyes.
As we do our run session today, we've been strategically placing things so you couldn't see in the past videos what we've been working on. So we're not going to cover anything up. We're not going to directly video our work yet because it's going to be unveiled in the next video. The next weekend video. We're gonna our Wednesday video is gonna be a fun video that we are gonna do. So you will not see any of the progress in that one either. But next weekend you will. So you may see some sneak peeks here and there in this video. Let us know in the comments below if you know what we're up to on the layout, and see if you're right before we undo the unveil. But other than that, if you're new to the channel, welcome, and we hope you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of Caleb's awesome videos that we do here on the layout in the train room. And once we can get out and about, we also go and check out train stuff in the outside world as well. But not right now.
The outside world.
Yeah, so right now we're in our miniature world down here. So hope you enjoy it. And if you're already a subscriber, thanks for being a subscriber, and we appreciate it. So anyway, let's get to the trains.
Of course.
All right, let's get to this unveil and review.
Yeah. Happy railroading.
Norfolk Southern 300, the lead is yours. Over. Copy, Yard Master. Clear to pull on the lead. NS 300 out.
So here we are, we have the Lionel Vision Line Norfolk and Southern genset switcher, cab number 300. And these locomotives are really nicely done, well detailed. They feature die-cast bodies, so they got a lot of weight to them. They're pretty decent puller, especially only having one, it's only one motor in the locomotive, not two like a lot of the diesels. That's due to having the detailed cab interior, so that didn't leave any room for a motor up there. So you just have the one in the long hood part. But it does really well. It's very smooth running. It's quiet. It's nice. Just a really nice locomotive. Has a lot of details, which Caleb is going to point out right now. So starting out, has a really nice paint job. The Norfolk and Southern signature sign there. It's got handrails down the side. Really nice. On both ends of the locomotive, the handrails are painted safety yellow. You have perforated stairs going up, which is nice. The cab is highly detailed. It has all your controls and your gauges light up and all that. When we put power to the track, we'll show you that. It's got windshield washers on both the front and the rear. It's got sliding windows. It's got mirrors that swing open and close there. Sunshades above the cab windows. It's got a little compartment right under the number 300 that opens up, and behind there, Caleb gets it open, are your controls for your master volume, your run program, the rail sounds, Odyssey, and smoke on and off. So that's pretty cool, and that's just held in place by magnets. And then you have some venting on the sides, and those are see-through, which is really nice. You have 3 smokestacks on this locomotive, and the Vision Line locomotives come with 2 different sets of smokestacks. One's just standard, that's just open at the top, and then there's also the ones that have the exhaust flaps on them that open when the engine, that particular engine turns on. When the exhaust comes out, that opens up, and it stays open until that engine was shut down. And on genset locomotives, they only come on as the power is needed. So when you first start the locomotive up, only one of the diesel engines, the prime movers, are running. And then as the demand comes up to need more power, then the second one will cycle on, and as you need more power, the third diesel prime mover will come on. And it's really neat to see them. You'll hear them kick on, and then you'll see the exhaust come out. It's really a interesting little feature. Lionel did a really good job with that, simulating that, and it's pretty neat to see. So you got some signage on the sides, and it's really small. I'm sure it's legible. Usually they always are, but I don't have a magnifying glass. But you have, at the bottom, you have your die-cast fuel tank. You got some red painted on details there for the sight glass and what have you. And you got to the side of that, you have like a little compartment box next to that there. That's really nice. And we're gonna go to the front. All right, now we're looking at the front of the locomotive. And both ends have electrical couplers that you can fire from your Legacy or TMCC remote. You have MU cables and brake lines to each side of that. You have a safety chain there, yep. You have a coupler cut bar. That's painted yellow, which is really cool. You have the cool Norfolk and Southern horse right there on the nose in the middle. You have some separately applied grab irons on the side, yep. You have your number board that is lighted up and your headlight above, yep. And on top there you have your separately applied horns. And I don't know what those white boxes are, but I've seen them on other diesels as well, so you got those. That cab roof does open up. You can remove it and look at the detailed interior. There you have the detailed interior. You have all your controls there by the engineer. Those gauges do light up when the track power is on. And come here, you can see there's like the electrical boxes there in the back. The doors on the rear do open and close. It's really, I've never seen cab detail as much as that. You got your throttle, everything right there. Really nice. So now we get to the top, and there's a separately applied grab iron at the top there, painted yellow. And there you see your smokestacks again. And then you have some venting there also on the top. And then on the rear you have another separately applied horn. And rear of the locomotive, or the long hood, you have basically the same stuff you had on the front. You have your electrical coupler, the MEU hoses, your brake hoses, coupler cut bar, Norfolk and Southern symbol. You got headlight. You got your 300, your locomotive number there. Some more separately applied handrails there on the, or grab irons there on the side. Yep. So that pretty much does for the details of the body. We're going to get the track power up so you can see the cab interior lighting. Alright, now we got to start it up. And your rear, I don't know if you can see that, the exhaust coming out, but you've seen the stack popped open. So that's the primary engine, or prime mover right now. Caleb's gonna go rev it up a little bit to kick the next one on. Alright, so now the middle one opened up. Now he's gonna kick it up again, and the third one opened up. So now as he turns the RPMs down, now the front one by the cab shut, the middle one shut, and you'll just have your main one running. So that's how that works. Now we're gonna zoom in on this cab. I don't know if you can see the details really there. There's the see the gauges light up. There we go. cab light off so you can see it a little better. That's pretty cool. Thanks, Kevin. So now, I think that's pretty much the details. It's a really detailed locomotive. So we're gonna go have some fun with this, and hope you enjoyed this review.
Norfolk Southern 300, all clear to pull. Over. Roger that. All clear on the lead. NS 300 out.